Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will solve this problem. X squared plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. X squared plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Alpha and beta are the roots. Okay, alpha and beta are the roots. We are supposed to find alpha squared plus beta squared, alpha cube plus beta cube, alpha power 4 plus beta power 4, alpha to the power of 6 plus beta to the power of 6, alpha to the power of 8 plus beta to the power of 8. We have to find the value of this. And we know that if this is the quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, of course a not equal to 0. If this is the given quadratic equation, and then if alpha and beta are the roots, then we know that alpha plus beta is minus b by a. And also alpha beta is equal to c divided by a. So this we will use to find the value of the whole thing which is asked, right? So for the given equation, what is the given equation? X squared plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Alpha and beta are the roots. Therefore, we have alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Of course, here a is 1, b is 2, c is 3. Okay. So alpha plus beta minus b by a, which is minus 2. Remember, we are going to use it. Minus 2. Then the product of the roots alpha beta is c by a. Okay, let me write this properly. Okay. So alpha plus beta is minus 2. Alpha beta equal to c by a, which is equal to here. C is 3, a is 1. So c by a is 3. So don't forget this. Alpha plus beta minus 2, alpha beta equal to 3. So from these two, we can easily do this problem. First, we will find alpha square plus beta square, which is nothing but alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Why? Because alpha plus beta the whole square is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, but we only want to find out alpha square plus beta square. So you subtract that 2 alpha beta, so you have this. But alpha plus beta the whole square is 4 minus 2 alpha beta is 3. So you have this as 4 minus 6, which is minus 2. Got it? You call this as 1. Then we know that alpha plus beta the whole cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. But we want alpha cube plus beta cube. Therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So this is equal to, we know alpha plus beta is minus 2. Therefore, this would be minus 2 cube, which is minus 8. Then minus 3 alpha beta, that is 9. Into alpha plus beta, which is minus 2. So you simplify this, you get this as minus 8 plus 18, which is equal to 10. So what do you have now? Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 10. Right? We already got alpha square plus beta square as minus 2. So you call this as 2. Is it clear? Now we will find out alpha to the power of 6 and beta plus beta to the power of 6. That is alpha to the power of 6 plus beta to the power of 6 we want. Okay, this is nothing but is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube whole to the power of 2, then minus 2 alpha cube beta cube. Okay, because in this expansion alpha cube plus beta cube whole power 2, we have alpha power 6 plus beta power 6 plus 2 alpha cube beta cube, that you subtract. Therefore this is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube whole power 2, that is 10 power 2, minus 2 alpha plus beta whole cube, which is 3 raised to power 3, because alpha beta is 3, you can see here. So this is equal to 100 minus 3 cube is 27 into 2, so 54. 100 minus 54. Okay, so 100 minus 54, we know that it is 46. Therefore, we have alpha power 6 plus beta power 6 as 46. Okay, continue. Now let us find out what alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 will be. This is nothing but alpha square plus beta square the whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square equal to, okay, so alpha square plus beta square is minus 2 the whole square is 4 minus 2 into alpha beta the whole square, which is 3 square, right? Okay, this is equal to 4 minus 9 into 2 18, so minus 18, therefore this is minus 14. Please remember that. So alpha to the power of 4, beta to the power of 4 is minus 14. Now let us find out alpha to the power of 8 plus beta to the power of 8, which is equal to alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 whole square minus 2 alpha to the power of 4 beta to the power of 4, which is equal to alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 would be minus 14 square, then minus 2 into alpha beta to the power of 4, this is to the power of 4, alpha beta is 3, so this is 3 to the power of 4 equal to 196 minus 2 into 3 to the power of 4, which is equal to 196 minus 2 into 81. Therefore, 196 minus 162. Okay, this is equal to 34. What is 34? Alpha to the power of 8 plus beta to the power of 8. So let's say that this is 4. Okay, so we have to find out all these things. Alpha square plus beta square, alpha to the power of 3 plus beta to the power of 3 plus alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 plus alpha to the power of 6 plus beta to the power of 6, alpha to the power of 8 plus beta to the power of 8. We have to find out all these things. Okay, so first is alpha square plus beta square. We already found out that to be alpha square plus beta square. We found out to be minus 2. Minus 2 here. Then alpha cube plus beta cube 10 minus 14. Then alpha to the power of 6 plus beta to the power of 6. We got it as 46. Then alpha to the power of 8 plus beta to the power of 8. We got it as 34. So we have to add all such things now. Okay, that is alpha squared plus beta squared. I write here plus alpha cube plus beta cube plus alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 plus alpha to the power of 6 plus beta to the power of 6 plus alpha to the power of 8 plus beta to the power of 8. This is what is required. We get that this is equal to minus 2, okay, plus 10. I'm just writing the values we already obtained, okay. Then minus 14 plus 46. Then we have plus 34. So when you simplify this, you get the value as 74. Therefore, the answer is 74. Understood this? Thank you.